In this chaotic world, we often feel helpless and lost, overwhelmed by endless pressure and responsibilities, as if caught in a never-ending storm. But imagine this. Even amid the surrounding chaos, you maintain inner peace. When facing challenges, you no longer panic, but respond with composure and calm. This isn't a fantasy. It's the essence of Stoicism, a philosophy of life that has existed for 2,000 years, teaching us how to find tranquility in chaos, how to maintain certainty amid uncertainty. Today, we'll explore 5 principles of Stoicism. These aren't just abstract theories, but practical tools you can apply immediately to cultivate inner strength and peace. Principle 1. Focus on what you can control. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "Some things are within our control, while others are not." This simple yet profound distinction is the cornerstone of Stoicism. Imagine you're preparing for an important speech. You can control your preparation, your content, and your attitude, but you cannot control the audience's reaction, technical failures, or external disruptions. When we focus our attention on what we can control, we gain real power. We no longer waste energy worrying about things beyond our control. This isn't passive acceptance, but a conscious choice to invest your energy in places where you can make a real difference. Start practicing today. List the things you're worried about, then divide them into 2 categories: what you can control and what you cannot. Focus your attention entirely on the former, and practice acceptance of the latter. Principle 2. Cultivate a firm purpose. Life without a clear purpose is like drifting on the vast ocean, without a compass to guide your direction, at the mercy of winds and waves. Epictetus emphasized the importance of having a firm purpose. He said, "Difficulties show a person's character. The greater the difficulty, the greater the glory in overcoming it." When you have a firm purpose, it acts like a beacon, guiding you through life's storms, making challenges less daunting. Finding your firm purpose requires deep introspection, reflecting on what truly matters to you, what kind of person you aspire to be, what you wish to contribute to this world. Once established, this purpose becomes your anchor, providing stability in chaos, direction when lost. Take time each day to reflect on your purpose. Write it down. Keep it in your heart. Let it be the foundation of every decision you make. Principle 3. Transform offense into opportunity. When others offend us, it's natural to feel hurt and angry. But Stoicism teaches us our emotions are created by our thoughts, not by external events themselves. This means we have the power to choose how we respond to any situation. We can let offense dominate our emotions, or view it as an opportunity to exercise patience and self-awareness. Think of offense as weightlifting for the mind. Each time you resist the impulse to react impulsively, you're training your mental muscles, making them stronger and more flexible. When you feel offended, try to view the situation from different angles. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? What might this person's behavior reflect? Cultivate empathy. Try to understand the other person's position. This isn't about excusing wrong behavior, but recognizing that everyone has their own struggles. This understanding can help you respond with compassion rather than anger. Principle 4. Anticipate obstacles. Epictetus advised us to prepare for the future by anticipating potential difficulties. This isn't pessimism, but realism and preparation. When you anticipate possible obstacles, you're not caught off guard when they appear. Instead, you've already considered possible solutions and ways to manage your reactions. A practical method is premeditation of evils. Before starting a project or plan, take time to imagine what might go wrong. For example, before an important meeting, think about possible technical issues, tough questions, or personal nervousness. By envisioning these scenarios, you can plan your responses, reducing the impact of surprise. This practice isn't about dwelling on negativity, but building mental resilience. When you've mentally rehearsed handling difficulties, you're less likely to be thrown off balance when they occur. Anticipating obstacles also means being flexible and open to change. Life rarely goes exactly as planned, and rigid expectations can lead to disappointment and stress. Principle 5. Live in the present moment. In our busy lives, we often get caught up in regrets about the past or worries about the future, neglecting the present moment. The Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius reminds us, focus on the present moment. Focus on what you can do right now. Living in the present isn't about ignoring lessons from the past or plans for the future, but fully being aware of and valuing the current moment. This requires practicing mindfulness and awareness, paying attention to your breath, feeling your body, observing the world around you, without rushing to judgment or reaction. When you wash dishes with full attention. When you talk with friends, be fully present in the conversation. When you work, focus on the task at hand. In this way, you not only experience deeper satisfaction, but also make wiser decisions. Because your mind isn't distracted by past or future. Spend a few minutes each day practicing mindfulness meditation, simply observing your breath and thoughts, without trying to change or judge them. This simple practice can cultivate your ability to live in the present. Conclusion: Stoicism teaches us that true power lies not in controlling the external world, but in mastering our thoughts and actions. By focusing on what we can control, cultivating a firm purpose, transforming offense into opportunity, anticipating obstacles, and living in the present moment, we can find certainty in this uncertain world, tranquility amid chaos. These principles aren't mastered overnight. They require daily practice and constant reflection. But each time you apply this wisdom, you create a calmer, more meaningful life for yourself. I invite you to begin today. Choose one principle and apply it to your life. Observe how it changes your response to challenges, how it strengthens your inner resolve. Because as Epictetus said, people are not disturbed by things, but by their judgments about things. Now is the time to master your judgments. Master your mind. Master your life. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. Don't miss more insights on how ancient wisdom can guide modern living. Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments as we explore together how to cultivate inner peace and strength in this busy world.